Hello and welcome to a new video from me. Today I will show you how to quickly activate maintenance mode in S/4HANA. We open the transaction as maintenance. We see here the system run level, but the two buttons are grayed out. So we have to add a new security policy. For this, we open the transaction SECPOL. And here we create a new security policy. I name it admin. Enter. Then we check this record and double click on the folder attributes. And here we have to add two attributes: tenant run level logon privilege and server logon privilege. The attribute value is 1. Enter. We save this. We go back and we save the security policy 2. And then we have to add this security policy to our admin user. So in my case, this is the developer user, logon data, and here is the input field security policy, and here we type in admin. Then we click on save and we open the transaction as maintenance again. And now we see we can use these two buttons, switch to maintenance and switch to running. So we can click to switch to maintenance. Here we can type in the maximum duration in seconds, 100 seconds or 600. Then we click on execute. And now we see a log file. And we see after 600 seconds, the system will be switched into maintenance mode. So now we have the run level restrict web dispatcher. We have different run levels here: running, web dispatcher closed, cool down, and maintenance. So we can refresh this mode, or we can try to log in with a new session. So I pick my developer user here, password. Okay, let's try the right password. Okay, we continue with this logon, and now we see the message: the system is set to a maintenance mode. Please log off soon. Okay. So we go back to the maintenance mode, and now we see the run level is maintenance. And now we try to log in with a normal user. And after the login, we see here at the bottom, the system is generally not available at this time, maintenance only. And if you don't want to miss any future videos about SAP, then subscribe to my channel and activate the little bell so that you are always notified when something new goes online. Thank you for watching and see you next time.